Rob Font landed a couple good strikes in round one, but Cody Garbrandt got a couple takedowns. Rob outstruck Cody in round 2 and 3 and had him bloodied up by the end of the third. He continued his attack with strikes in round 4, and Cody was a lot more stationary. Font also landed a big head kick in round 4, and credit for Cody for taking it well. Unexpectedly, Cody came back strong in round 5, but Font also landed some powerful strikes. Overall, Font dominated the fight. 2 judges gave him all 5 rounds. 1 judge gave him 3 rounds. They scored at 50-45, 50-45, 48-47. Font had the biggest strike differential in UFC bantamweight history. He outstruck Cody 180-62. He looked good in the championship rounds considering it was his first foray into that territory, and he also showcased his terrific jab throughout the entire fight. Big win for Font, his 4th win in a row, but in terms of the rankings, he will remain in the same spot, the number 3 position in the bantamweight rankings. In terms of the guys above him, Sterling and Jan will run it back for the title later this year. And number 2 ranked Corey Sandhagen will take on TJ Dillashaw July 24th. Thanks for watching MMA Digest. Subscribe to keep up with everything MMA.